Hi, dear CMA inter aspirants. Bharadwaj Institute since 2005 offers the exclusive coaching for CMA Foundation Inter and Final. Of course, I'm a faculty in financial accounting, having 25 years of teaching experience in the subject financial accounting, close to 50 batches of teaching accountancy. Based on my experience, let me to give you a kind of ABC analysis for the subject, a preparation strategy for your examination. The strategy is nothing but what is most important you learn first, then what is important you learn next, then what is some knowledge required. Least important I will not say, some knowledge is required in this third area where you prepare the third. Sir, thorough knowledge is required in financial accounting in these areas because 35% to 40% of questions come from this area. Single entry, non-profit organization, branch accounts, especially preparing a branch account, partnership accounts with specific focus on admission or death or dissolution, rectification of errors, bills and BRS, AS 10, 11, 16 and 22 repeatedly they ask. So this is where you have to focus first. First complete this because your pass mark is ensured over here. 40 is ensured. I want to get exemption where these areas you are expected to have a good knowledge. Hire purchase, departmental accounts, depreciation, consignment, joint venture, insurance claims, where you require a good knowledge and some knowledge is required in this area. Because when a question is asked, when you are not able to touch other questions, some knowledge about these areas are required to touch those questions. Sir, what is the thorough knowledge? You would have attended class. Prepare that. Number 2, ICMA material questions. Try to solve them. And chapter-wise test or chapter-wise assignments that is available either from your academy or from the model test papers, practice it. So classroom work, classroom assignment, ICMA material as well as your model test paper, practice test papers, assignments you have to work. Good knowledge is where if you have a very strong your classroom work, do that. And ICMA material you can practice. Okay, some knowledge is where you have a classroom work, classroom notes, classroom material, revise that and go. No need to touch the parent institute material. If you are doing all ABC, out of 128 marks, including choice, 128 marks questions are tested, you will be able to attempt the full. Okay, if I skip some knowledge, you will be able to attempt 90% of the question paper, around 90% of the question paper. Okay, if I want to do only A category, then you will be able to attempt only for about 50 marks, 55 marks. 45% I mean 128 into 45%, which means you will be able to attempt the range between 50 to 60 marks. That is not same. Okay, so ensure to have a thorough revision, thorough knowledge on A category, a sound knowledge on B category, and some knowledge on what C category. Total duration for a student, if you have already attended a class for A, B, C, it will take like 40 hours, 30 hours, 20 hours. If you are learning fresh, it will be like A category will take around 60 to 70 hours and B category will be like 30 to 40 hours. C category may be like 5 to 10 hours it will take if you are a fresh learner. So follow the strategy, try to learn the maximum and try to learn to the point. Okay, don't just be beating around the bush. Have an organized learning, have a cumulative learning. Okay, practice, test and model examination. Of course, any support required, you can contact Bharadwaj Institute. We are here to help you out. Okay, wishing you the best, friends.